Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. So now guys, it's so hot. I come in my room and just now I make I iron the cloth of sister of my boss, and then yes, I iron and I come in my room for a while or take my vitamins. I need take my vitamins because my husband always monitor on me. Yes guys, it's so hot, and I come not only come here for like that. I'm just what I want, and I put also the cloth here in for hang because for dry quickly because so hot outside. So yes, oh my god, oh, it's so hot guys. Today is so hot, more so hot. You quickly become magpawis ka talaga guys. Look at my face like a sister, and my madam said I am become some like that. Oh my god, what happened to me? Every day I take always vitamin C for good health. Yeah. My god, I have, because I make for I mix, I put the roof the other side and the other side for make hang the cloth like that. It's so hot guys, so much hot. Oh my god, I can't imagine like this kind of weather. So much hot, no air, no anything. My god. Even you are already getting shower, but still hot. Yes, still hot guys. I want to comb my hair because like a jungle. And I go back to the kitchen for help. I'm just helping to my coworker while she cooking. I slice the all ingredients like tomato, onion, and sometimes garlic, and sometimes potato, like that guys. Yes. It's so hot. Oh Lord, it's so hot. You know what guys, you cannot expect this time is more, I think, oh yeah, almost 3, and Oh my god. And I come back and then I wash all dishes, and after I wash this all dishes, and then I'm also help for cutting the all ingredients for the cooking, and that's it. Yes guys. That is my update here in this home, but after a week, yes, only a week, because today's this month is July, and next month my boss and my madam come back from other country, and then that's it. It's so hot guys, so much hot. I feel I just fix my hair because so now guys, I need to go downstairs for help my coworker. What is this? I don't know what is this. Yeah. Okay guys, bye bye. I love peace.